Is the number 15 going over? Brilliant hands from the Josephians.
ජීවිත කාලයටම අල්ලන් ඉන්න පුළුවන් කෙනාව තෝරගන්න.
Swiss Textile Adhesive අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Tonight between the proud hosts Kingswood College locking horns with St. Joseph's College from Maradana. The team cards of Kingswood, Atif Farooq, Dulesh Rastanjan and Pansilu Bandar forms the front row. Madhuranga Pushpakumar and Shamit Hafraz the second rows for Kingswood.
St. Joseph's College all the way coming down to Kandy with their bunch and Tisat Teunila Minduka Pere and Isuru Chaturanga up front along with Hamish Gamage Sitanga Lianaga and Janit Marasinghe ably supporting them.
To keep it loud. And here's we are underway here at Bogambara. Here's Ekanayaka. No. Think it was knocked back. Here's the try coming in for St. Joseph's. Brilliant work from St. Joseph's number 10. It was Bhishma Jayasekara, the captain.
The visitors ready to pounce on it. The ball knocked back onto the Josephian player and offloaded off. It was onto Jayasekara and he was off. He's been their standout performer this season under the post try. He will do the honours on his own try. Converts it without much of hassle.
To his forwards, Pushpakumar. Pushpakumar takes the ball into contact. Here's another drive through the fringe. And by the looks of it, the try has been given. Second Amana Bank try of the game. Temas Tilakaratna, who went over Fanker. Temas Tilakaratna, and the try has been awarded. Kasmi has the opportunity to equal things. Here's Temas Tilakaratna.
They're knocking very hard on that fourth door, the Kingswoodians. The pick and drives kept coming. They really did.
Gives a lovely ball out to his forward. Here's Bhishma Jayasekara. He looks to run. Jayasekara gives it a good couple of offloads, and here's space opening up wide. Is the number 15 going over? Brilliant hands from the Josephians. Brilliant work. The second Amana Bank try of the game.
Ball passing through those faces. Look at those. Bhishma Jayasekara doing the honours of cutting through. Clean offload and kept the flow going. The momentum was just as present and Gomez had to just cut through and he landed with a statement there. Now, and he'll try to make use of that Jayasekara. Clean on that occasion, but referee will rule in favour of the Josephians.
And here's Dulesh Rasanjana, who has lost his scrum cap. And here's Pushpakumar, and by the looks of it, ever so close. And he has scored. Brilliant work from Kingswood, the number 4 for Kingswood, Ransilu Bandara.
That he was available on the right occasion to create enough momentum for them to power through. Look at that on that occasion. Pushpakumar was the one who did all the hard work. And it was a matter of getting over a meter or two for the next player. And
ball available. Here's Jayasekara. Jayasekara gives it to Marasinghe. Marasinghe still on his feet. Advantage being played in favor of St. Joseph's. St. Joseph's going through the fringes. Just what they did. Here's the number 6. And the number 6 is over for another try. Brilliant work from St. Joseph's. They did all the hard work and came under the posts.
Bhishma Jayasekara, and points are gold, and Kingswood College now will be kicking themselves, because if Bhishma Jayasekara, which he should convert, goes over the line now, they'll have to score twice to make home fixture for them. And the ball goes through the posts, and Jayasekara makes it 3-in-3. Hat-trick of kicks for the Josephian skipper.
Dulesh Rasanjana is on that corner. Here's Akila Dilshan. He takes the ball into contact through the fringes, and that will be the try being scored. Brilliant work from the number 4 yet again. Ransilu Bandara.
Do that lemon break with some momentum. And finally, fortune favouring the Kingswood team on that occasion. Azmi will have a slightly wider smile as he goes on into that break. But those two kicks proving the difference between the two sides. Top-sitter game of rugby Kavind in that first half.
The halftime confirmation, 21 points to 17. St. Joseph's leading here at Bogambara.
ඉහළ ටෙන්සයිල් ශක්තිය සහ ක්‍රැක් බ්‍රිජිං හැකියාව සමගින් ඔබේ නිවස සියලු ජල කාන්දු වලින් ආරක්ෂා කරගන්න. ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වා ෂීල්ඩ් 2K waterproofer සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Gunaratna, the whitest of jerseys. The ball goes wide.
Knocked on. Possession, brilliant work from St. Joseph's to get that man alive. Lovely inside ball to Akila Dilshan, and he's on his feet. Needs to release. Needs to release, and here's the ball being given out wide. Here's Ashiq Kazmi, and Sadev Samanta is over. Brilliant work. Sachinta Navisha, the number 13 for Kingswood, goes over.
Kingswood setting all that up perfectly. And it was a matter of time before they went over that whitewash. Look at that. Azmi, clear, easy offload, and then it was a matter of time before that player landed. Sachinta Navisha.
And Kingswood, I don't think will contest, but they do contest this time around. It's a good defense. Here's use it once is the call. Still on it. Their fate is the Josephians ever so close, and they've ball being held up is the call from the referee by the looks of it.
What do you think? Mata me patten pen held up. Try okay. Thank you.
It was the AR's decision, and the try has been scored. Brilliant work from St. Joseph's.
What a drive that was. They've driven from Colombo to Kandy, but they'll take that one more home. Beautiful from the Josephian back on that occasion. They kept going and going and going. And Kingswood thought they had their man. But the AR had other words to say. And St. Joseph's College leading. Referee Fonseca. Ball comes off. Here comes the driving maul. This is where St. Joseph's are pretty good at. The ball's exchanged hands, and are we going over the whitewash here at Bogambara? Referee having a good view of everything. And there you go. Yes, we do, says the Josephian front line. Easier to boss affairs. Once again, look at that. He kept going and going and going. There was no looking back. Wonderful ball in by Minduka Pereira, and after that it was a matter of time before that forward pack went over the line. Marginally looked like he was held up, but referee Jivaka Fonseca, best view in the house.
And the conversion is through as well. Brilliant conversion. Tavisheka Nayaka gives it to Samantha. Samantha gives it to his young man. He has knocked the ball on, and that's the game done and dusted. St. Joseph's College Marathon have travelled all the way up to Bogambara, and they've defeated Kingswood. A heartbreaking win. It really is, because St. Joseph's trailed for a long time, and they finally managed to come on top.
Crucial game. Kingswood College bringing in 4 tries and 5 from St. Joseph's. Those conversions proving to be a point of difference, but wouldn't have counted for much even if they had been converted. Ashiq Kazmi didn't have the best of days, but the Swistek, perfect player of the match. 2 conversions and a try. Led his team and orchestrated affairs wonderfully throughout proceedings here. Bhishma Jayasekar, a skipper of St. Joseph's College. He played some wonderful rugby. We hope he's alive, well and truly fit for the next encounter.
කොහෙන් හරි කමන්නේ ෆොටෝ එක තිබ්බනම් මට මේ බිත්තියේ කැත වහගන්න තිබ්බා.
චෞමරි අක්කා. පිටියට ස්විස්ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ගාලා ෆිනිෂ් කළා නම් ඔය ප්‍රශ්න මුකුත් නැහැ.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ෆිනිෂ් එකට හොඳම කෙනා.